Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Scan and OCR feature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a powerful tool that helps you convert scanned documents or photos into searchable, editable text, making it much easier to work with digital copies of physical documents. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your files and features. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the documents you've been working with lately, making it quick and convenient to find what you need. From here, select the file you want to apply the Scan and OCR feature to make sure it's a scanned document or image that contains text you'd like to make searchable or editable. Once your file is open, look to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Convert. This option opens up various conversion tools that Adobe Acrobat offers, allowing you to transform your documents in different ways. In the left panel that appears, click on Scan and OCR. This is the specific tool designed to recognize text within scanned images or PDFs and convert them into machine-readable format. Now, navigate to Enhance File in the left panel. Here you'll see options such as Enhance Scanned File or Enhance Camera Image. These options let you choose the type of document you're working with, ensuring the OCR process is optimized for the best results. For this example, click Enhance Scanned File. This tells Adobe Acrobat that you're working with a document that was scanned using a scanner rather than captured with a camera. Next, click the drop-down menu and select All Pages. This ensures that the OCR process is applied to every page in your document, not just a single page. This step is important if you're working with multi-page documents and want consistency throughout. Alternatively, you can also click the gear icon for more detailed settings. This opens up additional configuration options that give you greater control over the enhancement process. Then click the circle beside all pages to confirm your selection. This ensures that your choice is registered and will be applied when you run the enhancement. You can also adjust the basic quality by using the slider. This allows you to fine-tune how aggressively the OCR feature processes your document, balancing between quality and file size. Once you've made your adjustments, click OK to save your settings and close the configuration window. Finally, click Enhance to start the OCR process. Adobe Acrobat will now analyze your document, recognize the text, and make it searchable and editable. Depending on the size and complexity of your file, this may take a few moments, so be patient while the software works through each page. And that's it. You've successfully used the Scan and OCR feature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, transforming your scanned document into a fully searchable and editable file. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.